Hey guys, quick video here. I'm just trying to catch a minute. I've been busy. Just trying to catch a minute. A friend of mine who's a really outdoorsy person is no longer able to get outdoors, basically, and he's asked me to sell some of his kit. He's got some brand new stuff here. Can you price it up to the best that I can? There's four things here that are brand new and one that's no brand new. Three of them are American, and what my mates want is just a wee bit of money back on them. Not looking for the full price, they're just looking for offers basically. So what we're going to do is either leave a comment or PM me if you're interested, and we'll take it from there. I've got a PayPal account, we'll work that out anyway. As I say, we're not looking for the top dollar, we're just looking for whatever we can get. So I'll go with the new stuff first, and this is a felony stop American knife. A Tops knife whistle, brand new. It's a Kydex sheath. I'll just, as I said, it's brand new. It's a double-edged blade on it. I've never seen anything like it before, but I think they're selling for something like $60–70 or something like that. So, as I say, we're just looking for offers. I'll show you this a wee bit closer. A felony stock. As I said, it's brand new. It's kind of double-edged. The handle, I can't leave whistle on it. Goes into the Kydex sheath. That's it locked in with it. It's got a wee belt to go into your belt. So I would say we're just looking for offers. If anybody's interested in that, it's brand spanking, brand new. That's a felony stock. We've got this Big Daddy. Again, it's an American make. It's got a cracking corduroy sheath on it. Got a, can go in your waist or over your shoulder or whatever. Cracking clip. Brand new. This is again an American knife I've never heard. It's a Spec Plus. It's got a kind of rubberised handle on it. It's got a wee edge there. It's rather sharp, and it's got quite a fancy wee edge there. I'm not sure what this is for. Good weight to it. Brand new, so we've just offers. That's the Spec Plus. Again, I think that comes in at $80 or something. Something like that. So I'll show you a wee close up of that. It's a bit of an edge on it. So I'll show you that wee bit there. The rubber handle. It's quite a bit of a tool. That's the sheath there. It's quite a nice wee thing. I would have probably bought all of that, just for the time of year. Don't get any money. So, just the offers again. Decent offer gets it. I'm not going to mince about and look for a better offer. If I get a decent offer for these things, well, first come, first serve. So that's that. That's the two American kind of thing. We've all seen these. This is a Bear Grylls Lockback Gerber. Cracking wee lockback. It's got the wee belt clip there. Again, I think that's about 25 quid. I'm not sure. There's that many different makes, and I'm not sure what make that is. But with 25 quid, he's an offer. Offer gets it. Got this as well. This is a Nieto, a Spanish knife. It's a really good quality leather sheath there. It's right good quality leather. Pretty thick. Maybe press stud fastener on it there. This is brand new as well. I think they call that, it's going to add a rubber handle as well. I think you call it a full tang. Quite a lightweight knife. A Nieto 440C it says on it. Brand new, never been used. Quite a fancy looking knife. Right, again, not looking for the end of the earth here, just looking for a decent offer. Just try to get rid of these for a friend. Last but not least, this is used. This is a used, and it's a Jack Pike Skinner knife. It is used, it's in good nick, could be doing with a wee sharpen. But I really fancy that knife for myself, but I say, I'm just trying to help my pal out, and he's looking for a wee bit of dough for it. Feels right good, but a right good wee neck knife. Just get the cracking wee Kydex sheath. See, it's Jack Pike. It's got that big lanyard on it. I'll show you that in a wee second. It's a really, really good idea. So, just a wee quick close up on that. You can see it as used. Again, that comes in, I think you can buy these for about 25 quid, so that's used. Make us an offer. Nice wee wooden handle there. Fits in your hand just great. Maybe even without that. That just feels right. But I'll show you that sheath in a wee minute. So that's them. We've also got the Sogzilla. I wish that wasn't a lot. I don't know if you get different sizes of these, but this is just razor sharp. It's no legal carry, so I'm swithering whether to take this one for myself or not. I'm not too sure. I'll show you it anyway. Brand new. It's an excellent wee blade. thinking about taking it for myself, but I'm not too sure. I'd like a legal carry. But I'll show you the idea behind the big long bit of paracord there. Just let us move this so you can see it. I'm in the kitchen out the road. It's been a hectic weekend. Right, see this? It's my mate showing us this. Fold that over like that. Over like that. Then we're in. It's got like a wee holster. Yep. And that's kind of ideal. Just slip it out.